Yo, creators, let's talk fact. I know you are talented, you are creative, you're hungry, and you're putting in the work, grinding on content, posting every day, but still no deal, no partnership, no let's work together email. Here's the thing. Talent alone won't get you the bag. You need a portfolio that slaps, the one that screams, I don't just make content, I make results. Here's the blunt truth. If you don't have a killer UGC portfolio in 2025, you don't exist to brands. But hold up, don't panic. In today's session, I'm going to give you the play by play, the cheat code, the ultimate game plan to build a portfolio that not only show off your skills but sell them. Because your portfolio, that's not just some digital resume, it's your secret weapon, your storefront, your brand Bible. Just type level up in the comments if you are ready to build something legendary. Like and subscribe. Why your portfolio matters even more than you think. Now, let's keep it 100. No portfolio, no proof. If you can't show it, you can't sell it. Let me break it down for you. In the UGC space, your portfolio does three things. One, it proves you can deliver, not just that you make content, but one that brands pay for. Two, it sets you apart and build instant credibility. Most creators are winging it, but you are not most creators, are you? If it's clean, created, and on brand, you are in the 1% brands know they can trust. And three, it secures the bag. A solid portfolio increases your perceived value, and that equals higher rates plus better clients. Attract brands while you are asleep. A well-optimized portfolio automatically becomes a magnet. I want you to think of it like Tinder for brands. They are sweeping through creators, and you need to be a right sweep. Building your UGC portfolio. Grab your notes. Let's build this thing together. Step 1. Choose your platform. Wix, Card, Notion, Adobe Portfolio, Canva. Don't get stuck in decision paralysis. Choose one and go. Step 2. Start with your best work. Think of it as your highlight reels. Quality, quantity. One killer TikTok can beat 10 random ones. 3. Organize it smartly. Break it into sections. Short form, product demo, collabs. Use visuals that pop. These are some must-have portfolio sections. Hero intro or elevator pitch. Short form UGC, long form reviews and tutorials, brands collabs, testimonial, contact info with clickable call to action. Who's ready to start building tonight? Type no excuse in the chat. Let's break down the content types you need in your portfolio. Think like a brand. What would you want to see? TikTok, Reels, Short. Show your storytelling plus hook game. Unboxings, perfect for first impression. Voiceover UGC, next level trust building. Long form content, product reviews. This shows you can speak to features and benefits. Tutorials and how to positions you as the solution. Sponsored content mockup show how you do slay a paid collab. If you're just starting out, just be upfront. It's about showing potential. Showcase real example. This is the level we are aiming for. No basic transition, no lazy caption. Would you buy from your content? Be honest. Pro tip, add before and after section. Is there anyone in the chat currently using testimonials or ROI screenshots? Because that's how you build trust. 4. Design and presentation. Listen. Your content might be fire, but if your portfolio looks like a bypass page from 2027, rules for a fire portfolio. Keep it clean, minimalist color palette, easy to navigate, mobile friendly. First, clear branding, logo, color, tone, checklist, high quality thumbnails, short, punchy descriptions, clear CTS. Click to book me or email for rates. Link your socials and email. Pro tip, you can add a short about me reel like dating profile, but make it brand friendly. Let them know who you are and why you create.
You've probably had people talking about faceless YouTube channels, but Let's be real, most of the advice out there is either confusing or incomplete. That's why I'm inviting you to a free live class where I will be breaking it all down for you. How to create a profitable faceless YouTube channel step by step. How to use AI to generate unlimited high quality content effortlessly. And why you don't need 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours to start making money. In fact, you can start earning from your very first upload. I won't just throw random information at you. I will give you the exact strategy you need to launch successfully. And if you're serious about turning this into a real business, I will show you how to go even deeper in my 7 days faceless YouTube challenge, where we focus on how and get you fully set up. Seats are limited. Don't miss out. Click the link to reserve your spot now.
Okay, squad, starting with zero, it's go time. Zero clients, zero content, I've got you. Here's how to stack your portfolio from nothing. 1. Do spec work. Choose your dream brand. Create 2 to 3 fake ads. Keep it real, keep it relevant. 2. Create challenges. 30-day UGC challenge. Document the journey. Show consistency and evolution. 3. Collaborate. Hit up local brands. Offer a free video or 2. Don't sell yourself short. Start small. Charge early. If you're starting from scratch, type the 1 in the comments. No shame, just strategy. Real talk, your portfolio is a living thing. Update it monthly. Drop outdated content. Add those wins. New brand deals, upload it. Learned CapCut or Premiere Pro, flaunt it. Got analytics, show them numbers. TikTok ad reach 120k views in 6 days with 7% CTR. Brands love this stuff. Your portfolio is not just a resume, it's your brand Bible. It tells the world, I know my value and I charge accordingly. So now, choose your platform. Build the first 3 sections. Drop one piece of killer content in there tonight. Alright, comment UGC BOSS if you're walking away from this class with a game plan. Smash that like button if this hit and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for weekly masterclass that levels you up. See you all at the top. You were born to stand out. Now, go prove it.